The 5 Best Window Air Conditioners. While most window air conditioners look the same, their ability to help you survive the summer heat can vary greatly. The best window air conditioners can cool a room quickly and quietly, without skyrocketing your monthly power bill. We've tested dozens of window air conditioners. While most of the window AC units in our latest round of testing are 8,000 BTU air conditioners, that doesn't mean they're equally as good at cooling a room. There's also more to a good air conditioner than cooling abilities. When testing the best window air conditioners, our rankings factor in ease of installation, noise during operation, energy efficiency, and more. After evaluating the best window air conditioners in our climate-controlled testing labs and in real-world settings, the GE Profile Series PHC08LY, available at Amazon for $326.34, is our favorite because it offers an agreeable balance of cooling performance, energy efficiency, modern tech integration, and stylish design. Number 5. GEHK08AC. The GEHK08AC is just a solid all-around window air conditioner. Its standard box shape has no fancy chassis or design variations. Installation is relatively straightforward. Its performance is nothing to write home about, but it offers decent cooling power and a high airflow that should chill down any room quickly. The GEHK08AC air conditioner is a smart device that can use your Wi-Fi connection to connect to the GE app on your phone. This allows full control of the device and for integration with Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 4. Midea MAW08S1YWD. While the Midea brand may not be as well known as Frigidaire, LG, or GE in the United States, the Midea SmartCool MAW08S1YWD is one of the best window air conditioners we tested. It comes loaded with features, some of which are typically only found on more expensive window air conditioners, including a dedicated app for controlling and monitoring your window AC unit and voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. When it comes down to performance, the Midea SmartCool more than holds its own against the competition, registering a 10 degrees Fahrenheit and 15% humidity drop in only an hour on a day that was nearly 100 degrees Fahrenheit outside and 82 degrees Fahrenheit in the 340 square foot test room. Installation and removal of the window AC unit is a breeze, with Midea including clear instructions for installation and weatherproof sealing. This is easily one of the best window air conditioners we tested and worth considering for your room. Number 3. LG LW8017 YRSM. The LG LW8017 YRSM window air conditioner is the updated version of our previous top pick, the LW8016ER. This window AC unit looks virtually indistinguishable from its predecessor and performed strongly during testing, dropping the temperature by 10 degrees Fahrenheit in only 40 minutes. One major addition to this updated window AC unit is the integrated LG Smart ThinQ technology that allows you to connect to and control your LW8017 YRSM from anywhere using LG's app, ensuring that you never have to return to a hot, muggy house again. It's also compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The LG LW8017 YRSM window AC required more elbow grease on assembly than much of the competition. At 62.7 dBA, it's also in the middle of the pack in terms of noise level on maximum settings. While it couldn't grab our top spot, the LG LW8017 YRSM carries the legacy of its predecessor as a simple yet powerful workhorse of a window air conditioner, while adding handy Wi-Fi integration. For the price, it's one of the best window AC units on the market. Number 2. GE Profile ClearView HTT06BC. The first thing you'll notice about the GE ClearView HTT06BC window air conditioner is its design, which has a lowercase N-shaped trench along its underside, allowing it to sit more deeply along your windowsill. This design provides more stability during installation and allows you to close the window more, reducing the noise from outside and the unit's obstruction of your view. With the AC unit placed below the sill level, you can barely hear the compressor as it kicks on. Of course, this design also means the ClearView HET06BC won't work for all home setups, either because your walls are thicker than 13.75 inches or because there's furniture or structures below the window. While installation is straightforward, this window AC unit's heavy build will likely be a two-person job. The trickiest part of the installation is the adjustable spacers that prop the outside part of the AC unit away from the wall. They're a little hard to reach if you're installing purely from inside the window. In terms of controls, we found both the on-unit panel and its smart companion app intuitive and easy to use. Number 1. G-Profile PHC08LY. The G-Profile Series PHC08LY window air conditioner blends top-notch cooling capacity and features with a bit of style and elegance. During testing, this 8,100 BTU window air conditioner reduced our 340 square foot test area's temperature by 10 degrees Fahrenheit in only 43 minutes. It lowered the room's humidity by 14% in the same amount of time. The G-Profile series is a whisper quiet air conditioner. Quiet mode only puts out 49.3 dBA of sound, less noise than an average household refrigerator makes. On its maximum cool setting, the decibel level ramped up to 59.7 dBA, about as loud as a normal conversation, making it the second quietest window air conditioner we've ever tested. With the G Appliances app, users can remotely control and schedule the G-Profile series while monitoring its power usage and temperature settings. It can also be controlled and monitored via voice through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and IFTTT. The G-Profile series air conditioner has an Energy Star energy efficiency rating and offers energy-saving features such as power consumption reports and an automatically dimming LED display.